Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do an open box on a part that I received for the '06 Mustang. So I'll probably just do like quick, 1 minute, 2 minute videos of open box as they come in, and then as everything gets developed and painted and put on, I made the videos that also. So today I received my headlights. Now only one was messed up, but on Amazon they had a pair for two for 63 bucks and with free shipping. So unfortunately, I guess not unfortunately, if you like Amazon, you like Amazon. I was trying to support other Mustang websites just to keep everything going, but you just can't beat free shipping, and some people's shipping is crazy. So I'm gonna see if I can get this on the screen here. I got let's see if that'll focus in. I don't think it's gonna focus, but it's Auto Destiny Ford Mustang Pony 5th Gen pair OE replacement lights. Now I have three versions: the original black version, the clear version, and a smoke. I went with the original black version. 63 bucks, free shipping, came in 2 days. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. It is looking pretty good, actually. Not bad. So I figured just get the pair and replace both of them, so it's not looking like one's dingy and one's not. So yeah, got both of them there. Just trying to get the car back together. So yeah, that's just a quick open box. Pretty happy with this one. Again, it says DNA Motoring on the box, but on Amazon it says Auto Destiny, free shipping, and it is $63.88 is what it shows on Amazon. So so far, first part I received from Amazon, so good. And I have a bumper, the bumper lower insert for the GT coming from Amazon. I still haven't decided if I'm going to get the smoked turn signal lights or if I'm going to get the original amber ones. And what else do I have? I have my hood coming from what is that website? I have my hood coming from, because that's an actual kind of cool website if you want to take a look at it. It is BMC Extreme Customs, and I got a True Fiber Ford Mustang Mach 1 style heat extractor hood. So I'm actually pretty excited about that one. Google that website if you want. They got a lot of cool stuff. This hood was actually pretty cheap. The shipping was 171 bucks, but the hood itself was only $379. So pretty excited to see what that looks like. I already know where I'm going to get it painted at. I went and confirmed that they're only going to charge me about 500 bucks plus tax to get everything painted. I'll put everything on myself. So again, that's just a quick video. I keep rambling on, but so far so good with getting the parts from Amazon. And I'll see you next time I receive a part. Thanks. Have a good day.